So Whit, you want to tell us a little bit about the shade cloth?
Sure. My tomatoes didn't do very well during the summertime and even into the fall, and so I think I heard from you. You'd mentioned something about shade cloth, so I got some of this, ordered it online. I think it's like 12 feet by 25. Probably runs about $150, including shipping. And then I put it up the first year and learned that I had to get these things higher. These are 8-foot T-posts to get it up there, and then it creates enough shade. This is like 90% shade. And I bought another one over at Curtis's, a green one on the back over there, down there, and put it on another row. So I have 1, 2, 3, almost 4 rows of tomatoes. These rows are about 25 feet, and the production is off the charts under this shade. It makes all the difference in the world. Yeah. They're able to set fruit, and you can see there's a lot more of them around. You can see how healthy they look.
Well, and it's pretty hot here where you're located during the summer too.
Oh yes, we'll be in the low 100s up to 108, 110 isn't uncommon at all.
So this is a pretty good solution for hot weather tomato production, isn't it?
Oh, it really is. It really is. But I also started moving my tomatoes later. Instead of planting them in the spring, I tend to plant them in late June, and then pray that we don't have an early frost.
Yeah.
And then we have a lot of tomatoes.
And you bought this shade cloth off the roll, more or less. You know, chose the width and the length. And how are you connecting it?
Well, I have these grommets here. Is that what you call them?
Yeah, little grommet.
Grommet.
So,
and you put them onto the. You can see one here, and you put them in. And these are this here's the other amazing thing. This has probably been here now 6 years. Never ripped. I take it down after the garden season, put it in the barn, pull it out, and put it back up.
Yeah, yeah.
And so it connects well. I put them. You have to really stretch it good, but you can see it does stretch. And then I put a post up in the middle to hold it up, keep it up, so I can get under. These are about 5-foot high cages that I have them in, and so far it's getting better and better. I mean, every year it seems to be just a little bit better. I think I'm figuring out to move the shade so that it's more in the afternoon and not so much in the morning.
Right.
So I think if I move it further to the west, and I have advantage of the pine trees, then start shading it.
Yeah. Morning sun and afternoon shade.
That's right.
Kind of the holy grail in Arizona, isn't it?
Really, yeah.
Well, thank you, Ed.